Lost a video you watched on Facebook? Don't worry, I will show you exactly how to find your Facebook video watch history in seconds. Just watch this video to the end and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So friends, first of all, open Facebook app on your mobile. Then tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Now scroll down and select Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Now tap on the Settings menu. Now scroll down and select Activity Log section. Here it is, and now tap on it. After that, you can see an interface like this. Now swipe to the left side in this section. Now select Videos Watched option and tap on it. That's it, and here it is showing my all videos watched history. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.